Assalamu alaikum. In this video lecture, we will be discussing some words of vocabulary. So let's start. Our first word for today is rituals. Rituals basically refers to the series of actions or activities that are performed in a particular way as a part of the religious or social ceremony. जो हमारे त्योहार होते हैं ना उसके लिए rituals का word use होता है. Example includes the rituals of Eid al-Fitr involve praying, distributing sweets, and exchanging gifts with the loved ones. Next is synonyms. Synonyms are ceremonies, traditions, customs, observances, rites, and practices. And antonyms include non-conformity, deviation, anomaly, irregularity, exception, and departure. Reinforce. Reinforce basically means to strengthen or support with additional force or material. Example basically includes the coach used positive feedback to reinforce good behavior in his players. Next word, its synonyms basically includes a bolster, buttress, fortify, strengthen, support, and sustain. And antonyms includes weaken, undermine, sabotage, impair, discourage, and hinder. Next word is reprimanded. Reprimanded means to express disapproval or criticism of someone's behavior, typically in an official or a formal way. Example includes the teacher reprimanded the students for not completing his homework on time. Synonyms include admonish, rebuke, scold, chide, berate, reprove. And antonyms include praise, commend, applaud, laud, compliment, and encourage. Next word is riot. Riot is basically the violent disturbance of the peace by a crowd, often resulting in damage to the property and injury to the people. Example basically includes the city was in chaos due to the recent riot that erupted in the downtown area. Synonyms basically includes the disturbances, upheaval, insurrection, rebellion, unrest, and tumult. And antonyms includes peace, harmony, calm, order, stability, and tranquility. So reluctantly. Reluctantly basically means the hesitation or unwillingness. Examples include she reluctantly agreed to attend to the party with her friends. जब आप कोई चीज़ बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली नहीं कर रहे होते हैं और हिचकिचा के कर रहे होते हैं उसके लिए reluctantly का वर्ड जो है ना वो यूज होता है. Synonyms basically includes hesitantly, unwillingly, begrudgingly, grudgingly, doubtfully, and uncertainly. And antonyms include willingly, eagerly, enthusiastically, voluntarily, cheerfully, and wholeheartedly. Next word is refuge. Refuge basically means a place where someone seeks protection or safety from danger, trouble, or persecution. Example includes the refugees found a safe refuge in the neighboring country. पनागा के लिए जो है ना वो अंग्रेजी में जो है वो refuge का लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल होता है. Synonyms include shelter, sanctuary, heaven, retreat, asylum, and safe haven. And antonyms includes exposure, harm, insecurity, peril, and risk. Then there are regret. Regret is the feeling of the sadness or disappointment or sorrow about something that has happened or something that you have done or not done. Regret होता है पछतावा basically. इसका जो example है, she regretted not studying an exam. Synonyms includes remorse, sorrowful, grief, penitence, contrition, disappointment, and antonyms include satisfaction, contentment, pleasure, delight, joy, and fulfillment. This is all for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.